Alright, good morning. So Miss Meek wants you to do Chapter 3, Lesson 3.2, Evolutionary History. She wants you to complete the warm-up, Section 2, and Section 3. Now she wants you to put your response for Section 3 on a Google form, which she has attached. So let's open up Amplify. So in the warm-up, you have a diagram that has three species: a common ancestor, species A, and species B. Now, there are two blue boxes, and you have to pick the box that you think species C will go into. So it says, where should species C be placed? So you want to look at the body structures, so the parts of the body that species has, and compare it to species A and species B. I have placed a little hint on a document that I will share with you, a PDF, to help you make that choice. The next question is, what is one body structure that you used to make your decision? I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint here. Only one body structure is going to be selected, and it's going to be the one that one of the species does not have. So the next question is, explain how this body structure helped you make your decision. So one of those pictures up here does not have the same body structures as the other ones. I have made a Google Doc, or made a PDF, where I've got a fill in the blank where you can even put in the letters of the species to help you make an effective response for this question. And I have put hints in bold for you. And that's all for the warm-up. Now for the second part, it is a simulator. I'm going to walk you through doing the simulator, and I have attached a picture of the final product for you to refer to. So when you open the simulator, it wants you to click Coelacanths, click Family Tree, and we have to scroll all the way through all these just to get what we want, all the way down to Coelacanths. Alright. So there are only 5 locations here that we need to worry about. Alright, so there are 5 locations. Let's look at our selection here. So this first one, we want it to be as closely related to this blue whale as we can get. It's not going to have any legs. It's not going to have any fur. It's going to look a lot like it. So this one right here looks a lot like a dolphin or a whale. And as you can see, that's the one that I chose, and it had no problem taking that. So just so I don't get confused, I'm getting rid of it from the list. Alright, so the next one we have here is kind of in between this one with shorter limbs and this one with this one right here before the whale. And it says very small hind limbs and nostrils to the left and back. So I'm going to look over here, and this one's got tiny little legs, barely even there, versus this one that has some big legs. These two seem to be walking. So I'm going to pick this one. There we go. Alright, very short legs. Improved for underwater hearing. Okay. Well, let's get rid of that one I'd already done. Alright, so that leaves me this guy right here with very short legs. He still looks like he can swim. I'm going to pick him. And that leaves me these two right here. Alright, so I'm going to go up here and look at this. It says thick, bony wall around the middle ear. Thick, bony wall around the middle ear. I'm going to click the study and see. This also has ear bones that are found in whales. Maybe that guy will be my next one. Let's take a look. Yep. So that only leaves this guy for the last one. Alright. So there we have it. There's your simulator. Alright. Back to our assignment. So, we have done the simulator, and it's all going to look back at the simulator, so you're going to want to either keep the simulator open or keep my document open with the picture. The first one is just what did we have for location 1, what did we have for location 2, 3, 4, and there we go. Now, the actual question down here is which species is Durdrum more closely related to? The blue whale or this A critter? Which diagnostic structures could you use to show this? So I have a fill in the blank on the document for section 2, and I have put the two names up here, and those are the only words that are going to be in here. So you're going to want to use your screenshot of simulator or refer back to your simulator to fill in these blanks. Now remember which creature we had where. Remember we had that little porpoise dolphin looking critter right here, and that's your one that starts with a D. And then that one that starts with an A is right here. And just so you can see it, I'll pull it back up. See, the one that starts with a D and the one that starts with an A. Alright, and that is all for the simulator for section 2. Now section 3. She wants you to complete section 3, which is to write a response using these words. So, in the next lesson, you will be asked to decide whether the mystery fossil is more closely related to whales or wolves. Be prepared for this work. Answer the following question with your group. Well, obviously not with your group in this. When you compare different species, how can you tell which species are more closely related? So she has that list right there. I have also put that on the doc, and I have made a word bank with 6 words, and you just have to put them in here and copy and paste. Alright, you guys have a good day.